All right. So we're going to go ahead and download the sample page right here. You can take a view. This is what our final should look like. And then we're going to install these fonts. You come over here, you'll click on download on this page. You're going to download those. You will find them in your downloads folder, and you will double click on the folder. Okay, it'll open this up. You're going to go ahead and double click on the barcode font, and then you'll click on install here. Okay, this will install it across all of your Word environments so that it is then available to you when you open up Microsoft Word. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this, and you'll see now that our font barcode is available to us. So we'll use that in a little bit here. Okay, under mailings, we're going to go ahead and start mail merge. We're going to use our step-by-step wizard. We're going to click on labels. Next, we're going to do label options. Okay. We're going to go ahead and select the label options. Wait for it to load. All right, we're going to create a new label, our own custom label called Southshire Ticket. Okay, and then we have a number of formats that we have to meet. This is 0.38. This is 0.38. This is 5. This is 1.75. This is 4. This is 2. You'll see that all in the picture that's on Canvas. You want to go back and follow more closely. Make sure that you have selected the page size and set it to letter. Click OK. And then click OK. All right, I'm going to go back over here and just turn on my show hide so that I can see where these are. So now we can see these outlines of where the labels have been placed for us. Okay. Now in the files, I uploaded for you all also the text. So if you go here under files, go to module 6, go ahead and select your label text. Go ahead and download that. Okay. And let's see where we are. So we've set our label options, and that's for you right here. We're going to go ahead and insert the provided ticket background. I'm going to go ahead and download this. Go back in here, and now I'm going to click in to my label. And I'm going to say insert pictures from this device. Okay, go to my downloads folder, click on ticket, boom, it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my mail merge really quickly, and I'm going to update. Okay, this means it cascaded for me, okay, across that first page. So now I can kind of see where it is. All right, so really quickly, I'm going to redo that just so you can see it. Okay, so we got to step 2 here in the labels. We did label options. We did the new label. We gave it our specifications. Okay, we came back in here. We turned on show hide so that we could see sort of where things were. We put our cursor right here next to this. We're going to insert our picture for the ticket. Okay. And then we're going to come back over here to mailings, and we're going to update the labels and just see them all cascade. Okay, here we go. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this image behind text. I'm going to tell this image that whatever I put on top of it is fine, but leave it there. I am also going to lock the position of this on the page. Okay, I'm going to right click there, and I'm going to say fix position on page. Okay, so I did that by coming over to this. I go to wrap text, come down to here, and I say fix position on the page. I'm going to go back into mail merge and update again so that now all the rest of these two don't move. Okay, now we're going to take that text box that we just downloaded. So we'll go ahead and open that up. That's our label text. I'm going to just select this here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back in here to my label, and I'm going to do insert a text box. Okay. I'm going to do draw. I'm going to just put it here for now, and then I'm going to paste that information there. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, just big enough so we can see the text that we need. I'm also going to rotate it a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to drag it a little bit more. Oop. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit so it's kind of centered where I want it. I'm also going to address the fact that right now there's a white background by coming over here and addressing the shape format options. So in this one, I'm going to do a fill. I'm going to get rid of it so that there's no fill. And I'm also going to get rid of the outline so that there's no outline. So now when I come back to my mailings and I update these labels, it cascades all the way there. Okay. So the next step is to create a spreadsheet of a single field table with a header and a ticket number and consecutively cascade those numbers. So we're going to go into Excel and do a blank workbook. This is ticket number. Okay. And it was 2017. What was it? 09 23 and then 001. Okay. And so we can now take this and just drag it all the way down. We need 300 tickets. So we're going to come down here to 301. There we go. Let go. And all those numbers are the same, which we don't want. So we're going to click on this little pop-up here, and we're going to just say fill series. And now you'll see that all these numbers have updated. Okay, go ahead and save this wherever you want to. I am going to save this on my desktop. You'll get, if you do the save as option, you'll have all of these options. So I would just select what works for you, of course. Click browse because I really just want my desktop. There we go. Okay, and these are my ticket numbers. All right, saving that. Taking its time. All right, we're all done there. I'm going to close that up. All right, now we're going to insert these ticket numbers using mail merge. Okay. So one other thing I want to do quickly, just like we did with the image underneath, we're going to right click on this. We're going to fix position on the page. Okay. So that way it should not any further move. Okay. So now, oops. Okay. Now I'm going to just hit, okay, so now I clicked in here. I've fixed both of these things on the page. It's not fixing. I'm going to have to do it again. There we go. Okay, there's that. Okay. I'm going to just keep coming down here. Oops. Okay. So I'm now here. I'm going to insert from my mail merge Okay, so fix those labels. I'm going to go to my next. I'm going to browse, use an existing list. Okay, I saved this on my desktop as ticket numbers. Click OK. Yep, OK. All right, I'm going to go to arrange where my labels go. I am going to select to insert ticket number, and there I'm OK. Okay. Now, because I hit return, remember I clicked up here in this area after fixing the images, hit return, it came down here. Now there's a couple of formatting things as well that we want to do. We want to go into the home menu, we want to center this. And what was the other thing that it wanted us to do? I think that was it. Oh, a font of between 24 and 36. Go ahead and click this. I'm going to do 28. I'm going to come back to my labels. I'm going to update my labels. And then I want to preview the results. Okay. And so because I'm using this font right now, hold on, I'm going to undo that. Okay. So we still have the font at this normal size. We're going to change the font option now to barcode first. And that will make it so it doesn't spill over the page. Okay. So it looks like 28 is the ideal one. So let's go ahead and we'll change the barcode format to 28. Update that across, and look at that. We now have that all the way across these. Okay. So go ahead and now that you've previewed this and you've got this here like this, you're going to go ahead and you're going to save this. Okay. Generate the pages as labels and save as a PDF. So we're going to finish out this process. We're going to finish the merge. Okay. We're going to do the edit individual documents, open all. And now I should have, yes, I do. Okay. So that is module 6, assignment 2. Okay. Go ahead and submit both of these documents and you should be good to go.